Hey guys, we're here in Kansas, Emporia, Kansas, and they're having a car show. I wanted you to check them all out. Nothing really I can't afford, but it sure is beauty. That there don't look like it's been driven much at all. Nice. Check out the engine. You can see through my shadow.
Somebody emptied their wallet to these, I would say.
Yep. We'll head over here across the street where most of them are at. Let me push supplies while we head over. I'm not much on cars, but check these out.
Like the dually she never had.
Even the interior, beautiful. The biggest engine I ever drove was a 440.
440, both four.
Chevy, huh? It was a Chevy Impala.
454.
Oh, that's what it was?
454.
Oh, wow.
440 Chrysler.
Oh. That's beautiful.
He's got 454.
Nice. Nice.
Maybe I'll do that.
It's a two-seater, guys. It's really small. I would not be able to get in and out of that. That's nice, though. These look like twins. One's a little older than the other one, though. Aha. Nice. Looky, they got Roadrunner inside the, not Roadrunner, the Coyote in the front seat. Uh-huh. Looks like there's some on both sides of the street, guys, so this might be a pretty good video. Our pastor at church has a vehicle here too, but we haven't came across it yet.
How are you going to know it when you see it?
I'll know it when I see it because he'll be there.
How do you know he'll be there?
He's,
A lot of these cars don't have anybody around them.
well, he'll be around his car, I'm sure. Nice. Shiny, shiny. We should have put our car in here. That's a beauty.
Thank you.
Check out the, bet you that's a gas guzzler. Wow. Ooh, check this one out. Casper sitting in there. Look how shiny that is. That is nice. Some copper pennies got that thingy.
Never seen anything covered that much.
Look at the low, how low that is. If you get a flat tire, you wipe out your whole vehicle. It's nice.
No. I'm going to put them in here today. No big deal.
Look at this, the little red seats. Yep. Is this your dad's?
Yes.
Nice. Did you guys build it?
Yes.
Wow.
Them red seats.
I like that.
The red seats really stand out.
See, I was teasing him. He's registering it, but I was teasing him that it was going to be a Superman. I was going to put like a Superman thing in there.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
looks like
nice. I like the car.
Oh, yeah.
It's really
It's
nice.
pretty.
Yes.
He made it back in one piece. It's pretty. He's sitting there registering it.
That car's backing up like a remote control, but it ain't. Got a lot of old ones through here, guys. Look at this in here. Surprised it runs. They probably towed it in here. Tires are bald. That's an oldie. That is an oldie. That is nice. It's nice if they got it to running. That's cool. Slug bug. Yep, there's a slug bug, guys. Almost just like this reminds me of 05 or whatever. 5. I mean, now look at this nice car. Yeah, that's a nice one.
You probably already said that, didn't you?
I didn't say the color, I just said slug bug. Check out the shiny engine. Chrome. That's nice. That's beautiful. It was kind of weird how we just remembered this car show as we was coming to town to check out that lawn. Let's check out this. I think I want to stay on the front of the vehicles. The back don't look as good as the front does. I mean,
Too much.
isn't that nice though? Wow.
Yeah, well.
That's beautiful. Now that's a little old looking station wagon kind of car. Cool. Check out this car. Hope everybody can see these okay. I'm looking for the General Lee. 1973. That's nice. Can you imagine seeing these here on the highway? Check out the engine in this truck.
There's a cool looking little Ford.
Yeah. If you guys made it this far, type in car show. Wow. That's nice.
Looks like the trunk's where the motor's supposed to be.
What's
Yeah.
the fastest you've had it?
80.
80?
Yeah. I'm afraid I'll get it.
Yeah.
This reminds me of back in the Pink Ladies. Okay.
Dora Lawrence area, yeah.
Yeah. Cool. That's nice. Look at this pink Cadillac. I think it's a Cadillac. Isn't that nice? It's really nice.
And I'd be better up taking this like that.
Wow. Everybody's making them all shiny and beautiful.
They're supposed to do that before they came, shouldn't they?
I don't know. I'm just walking and looking. A lot of cars here. See the puppy? Isn't he cute? Yeah, on YouTube. Yep, that's a nice truck. Huh. See what the engine looks like.
What brand is it?
That's nice. I don't know. Chevrolet. Now that's nice. A&W root beer.
I like this.
A&W root beer. That's nice.
Pictures.
The flames.
Well, which one do you like the
They got
best
the
so far?
speaker for the drive-in. That's nice. I don't know. Too many of them.
I kind of like that yellow Chevy
Hmm.
back there.
Yeah. Wow. It's nice.
Sure looks fancy.
Yeah. This is beautiful. Never can afford anything like these vehicles. They're beautiful. Guys take really good care of them. Nice. I think I'd cross over now and get the other side of the street. Because these don't look like they're in the car show. I mean,
They're for sale probably tomorrow.
is this a Buick on the end? If so, it reminds me a little bit of my dad's. He had a cow with way back in the 70s. Might have been 60s. That's nice though. Check out that detail on the lights.
Looks like it was a cop car.
Yeah. Nice.
Looks like it was off the Andy Griffith show.
It's nice.
Yep.
Look at the cars on the battery. That's cool. I wonder if we're supposed to be judging. I'm not judging, but voting. I don't know. I'm just looking. Too many of them, and I don't want to disappoint nobody. Like myself.
Down in there pretty good, don't it?
Look at this beautiful. Wow. Check out this one. Yeah. There's a nice truck. Let's see this side. That's beautiful.
Fancy.
So Ford.
I guess I ought to get
Can
my
you?
thing out.
Isn't that beautiful?
Oh, yeah.
Look at those horns.
I'll have to get back to her.
Well, I think I'm done cleaning, or at least I say I am.
What's your horn sound like? Are you allowed to honk your horn?
Well, I got the battery unhooked, so
Oh.
it doesn't matter.
Is that the
It's,
one of
it's
those
not
fancy
a
ones?
Oog or nothing like that.
Oh.
It's just it used to have one in it, but when they redone everything, it come out of the grill, and the one on the column didn't work. But after I got it all redone, now that's what works. But so I started honking, and I thought, well, dummy, you unhooked it. I got a quick connect on it, so if I want to leave the door open for people to look inside, it
Yeah.
won't run the dome battery down.
I can understand that. We have that
Here,
problem
let
with
me
our own
see.
car.
I'll see if I can get a honk out of it, but it's not. You'll be surprised. It's nothing.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
That'll get your attention.
It makes
Move
the
it over, or
cows
am I
run.
gonna kiss your butt? No.
It makes the cows run.
Yeah.
Yeah. Make the deer stand there. No. There's another nice one. Look at that. Well, there's some over here too, David. Come over here. There's some more over here. Yeah. Batman. See Batman, guys?
That's kind of cool looking old truck.
Yeah, hot car. Look at the velvet seats. That's nice.
Yeah, it's
Yep.
just cloth material.
Oh. I wonder if they have a Pontiac Le Mans out here. I used to drive one of those. That's the one I would never let no one pass me on the highway. I never got a speeding ticket either.
You better not tell too many secrets.
That's a long time ago. Outgrew all that childish stuff. Wow.
Need a bit more playing with them.
Well, still. I like the roof on top of that car.
Yeah.
Back to the road, guys. Look at that bus.
That's a funky looking thing.
It looks like a little camper. You want to go camp? You want to go traveling and living on the road? There you go, guys. That's what you need.
It looks like some famous YouTuber would drive it.
Yeah. This is like an old, I was gonna say Hearst, sort of. Scares me the willies. And then go back to the road so we can finish this up. Yeah. Is that like an El Camino? I don't know. I don't know my cars. Yep, El Camino. That's nice. 1971. A couple years old, isn't it?
No, so
Yep, that's shiny. Beautiful. I don't see any other Crown Victorians around here either. Have you seen any? Aren't they nice cars, everybody? Comment below the one you like the best. Aluminum. This is aluminum. Look at that horn. Are you having fun yet? I like the wheels. It's nice. Ooh, check out this one.
I went to this car show in Blackburn. Man, they put on a damn good car show. I won second in my class.
Look at the teddy bear. Now this reminds me of when you go riding downtown, everybody can ride in the back. Get in the back.
got called the
That's
rumble
good.
seat. I don't know why it's called a rumble seat. We call it our mother-in-law seat.
I'd say the kids get in the back.
My
Turn the radio
grandkids
up.
like to stand up in the back and hold on. They call it the parade car.
Yeah. The old blank handles.
Yeah.
That's
Put a
nice.
bar in there so they be comfortable. There's the bar.
Oh, yeah. That's nice. It's similar to the side-by-sides they have now. That's nice. Really nice. Oh, a Trans Am.
Well, you know, some of them
Look at that beautiful Trans Am. I rode in one before, but I never drove it. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
Make of car. 76 Pontiac Trans Am. Camaro. Wow, check that out. Now that takes a lot of time and effort to get all that in there like that. If you like fast cars. Like I said, I outgrew that. A little hail damage on that hood. Wasn't supposed to see that, right? That's nice though. Last C30, whatever that means. Yep. Oh, nice. It says sweet on the tail, on the bumper. Isn't that nice?
Shiny.
Yep.
The engine is.
Mm-hmm. So is the car.
Yeah.
Wow. That's the color of my Pontiac Le Mans I had.
68 Camaro.
Yep. Fast one, I bet. Nice. You want that covered up when you're not driving it though. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice. Another interior. Beautiful. Watch out for the mirrors. Oh, check out the lights. That is nice. Bad to the chrome. That is really nice. The lights change color and everything.
Somebody spent a lot of money on that.
Oh yeah. Okay, let's head across the street and see what's going on.
I'm assuming they're still coming in. Means they're driving on the street here.
Yeah. Getting ready to put some loud speakers on. Maybe it does start at 9 o'clock. But it's after 9, so I don't know.
There you go. There you go.
That's nice. Oops, sorry.
Curry.
Beautiful.
That's what I did this morning.
Isn't it beautiful? A lot of nice ones. Whoops. I don't want to get copyrights for music, so I'm going to have to hurry up and get done. Isn't that cute? You gotta fight for the right to party. Reminds me of a Comet I used to have. That's Oldsmobile. Well, what are you thinking? Comment below what you think of this car show. I'm doing my best to show you all of the cars. I guess that in there is leaving. Or parking someplace else. I don't know. Yep. Go around this way. Yep, that's to show the engine off.
That's like the Dukes of Hazzard car, only in yellow. Yeah,
I don't know.
the Dodge.
Yeah. Probably standing too close to the car, but people driving. I guess guys, I'm gonna say have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed the car show. Ta-ta.